Mr. Davis's world. Mr. Davis's world. Photo time. Excellent.
What's up, guys? I hope you had a most excellent time. Photo! Woo! Photo time! Extreme close up! Oh. Extreme close up again! Alright, 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 alright. Excellent, excellent. I am your most excellent host for Photo Time, Mr. Davis. With me is my excellent co-host, Merlin. Say hi to the camera, Merlin. He says hi. Alright, alright. I hope you guys had an excellent week getting back in the groove of things for your online learning. I know that we had a great time getting back in the swing of things and communicating with people and getting the groove of doing photography again. It was most excellent. Okay. On top of that, we also spent some time running the fields and working on some tricks. Merlin, give me fives. Give me fives. Well, he's being camera shy. Give me five, good boy. Give me five. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. All right. So, we've been working on tricks. Now it's time for you guys to also work on some new tricks. So, Photo 1 and Photo 2, what I want you guys to do is watch the tutorial this week on how to edit your photos using the Snapseed app. Okay? The last week, you guys were supposed to take photos. Photo 1, you were taking photos of unusual perspective, bird's eye view, worm's eye view, and close-up views. Photo 2, you took photos of silhouettes and shadows and or landscapes. Okay, so this week I want you to work on using Snapseed to edit your photos. You can watch the tutorial that I've created and uploaded. You can also just experiment with the app, but definitely use some kind of editing app to edit your photos. Take them from the before to the after. Make sure you make things pop, like your contrast and your blacks and your color tones. Okay? Turn those into the assignment that'll be posted for you guys. All right? Let's see, Photo 3s. You guys have given me your research papers over what you would like to do for the rest of the semester. So now it's time to start taking pictures. You guys will take some pictures this week and turn in between 5 to 10 of your subject that you've been working on. We'll do that for 2 weeks, and then we'll spend 2 weeks with you guys turning in your photo edits. Okay? Okay. All right. Photo 1 through 3, make sure you check in on the Monday video. Make sure you check in for the weekly critique on Wednesday. And then make sure you turn in your photos by Friday. Photo 1 and 2, I want edited photos. Photo 3, I want the beginning of your next photo project. Okay? Trojan time. All right, make sure that you guys check in on your Monday, Wednesday, Friday check-ins. Let me know how things are going. Also, make sure you're checking in with your other teachers and checking into Classroom. Okay? All right. Now, for everybody, when you guys are using the comments and when you're responding to things, I would like you guys to use the class comments. That way, people can see what you're saying, but it also keeps the class together. So that way Photo 2 can see what Photo 1 is saying and vice versa. All right? So I'm glad that you guys are interacting, but make sure that you're using the class comments for your responses, please. All right. Now, this week's question that I'm looking for an answer, so that way I know that you've watched the video, okay, is what, since all of this has happened, what do you miss the most? What's the most normal thing you miss? Besides, of course, being able to go somewhere and see your friends and, of course, the routine of school. All right? The thing that I miss the most so far, comic books. I've gone 3 weeks without my weekly comic books. You guys know how that makes me feel. Good thing that I've got a whole stack of them right over there to read and catch up on. So, I'll be looking forward to when my comic book store opens again. Alright, guys. Enjoy your next week of school. Get things done. Video on Monday, critiques on Wednesday, photos Friday/Saturday. Alright. Most excellent Photo! Yeah. Stream closed up again.